Good morning. This episode should be called You Can't Rush Art because I'm seriously reconsidering whether or not I want to put kind of a creamy layer of paint on some of the areas of the gourd that are a little bit too natural, too dark for me. I'd love to hear whether you do this or not, so let's think about this and let me know. Good morning. I just wanted to check in with you this morning and tell you that you can't rush art. You absolutely cannot rush art. I had really hoped this morning to just coat this and have it ready to go, take it to the holiday house and put it up for sale. But when I sprayed it looks okay on camera, but see in here, it just really, a lot of the natural pigment came through, a lot of the color came through. So what I am going to have to do is I'm going to have to figure out how to do like a wash in here, like a white wash, kind of a cream wash. It just, I mean, I want it to look natural, but this is a little bit too natural. It looks brown in there, like it actually looks kind of grayish brown, sort of like it's moldy, and that's not the natural look I'm going for. So I'm going to have to figure out how to go back and touch that up. And this is the first time I've ever had to do this. So if your gourd looks great, you're good to go. Mine, however, it just, the spray brought out that pigment, and it's just not, it's a little bit too wild. I mean, wild is good, but it's a little bit too wild. I used a semi-gloss, and I like the semi-gloss. It's a Krylon. I like that on the birds. I like the semi-gloss. I like the semi-gloss around the sides as well. Usually when I do a nature scene like this, I do it all in just a matte finish, a matte Krylon. This time I used a semi-gloss, and I do like the look. It's not that triple, shiny, super thick, but I think it's good for the subject. This evening, when I get home, I'll see if I can mix up some paint and see what we can do. Maybe kind of water it down and see if I can just touch up those spots. And wonder if I need to. I might have to run the burr over these again just to liven them up a little bit more so that they'll accept the paint. But I'll do a test spot around toward the back before I try it out. That's where it is right now. I'm on hold. Hopefully yours looks great and is ready to go. Well, I'd love to know what your decision is. Do you think you would like to coat the darker areas with a creamy colored paint, or are you going to leave them natural? Please tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and the next episode is going to be our final Please join me there. And thanks for watching. Bye.